If you can't tell by the sweat that is glistening on my forehead, it's actually very, very hot in New York City right now. And that's why my simple pleasure for Happier Week is ice. Oh, didn't even crack. Now to make ice, you'll need an ice tray and... Actually, I'm just messing with you. You know how to make ice. Ice is not new to me. But what's new for me this year is that I'm just drinking ice in everything. Ice water. Iced coffee. Iced lemonade. Iced tea. Thai iced tea. Vodka and cola. Actually, we didn't have any cola, so vodka on the rocks. So that's my simple pleasure for this hellish summer of 2020, ice. Everyone should be using it, and if you're not, it'd be a lot cooler if you did.